I can't think of a better way to start off the new year than with a brand spanking new business idea that you can pursue. Coming up with ideas is very tricky and it's really hard to pull the trigger on something. I know how it goes. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some product ideas that you can get started selling on your own Shopify store, like literally as soon as we're done with this video. Now, one of the best free ways to find product ideas to sell is really through watching TikToks. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Look, Arie, if I browse TikTok, wouldn't that turn my brain into mush after a couple hours? And yeah, you're probably right, but if you stick to it long enough, you will find some really great product ideas, especially since people genuinely love sharing cool stuff that they've bought online. So let me show you a couple products like that. So here's a Christmas gift idea, but obviously you don't need it. You know, you can still sell it after Christmas. So just a little constellation star mug, and when you add a hot drink to it, boom, it shows the constellations, like it puts them together. That's super cool. And you may be thinking like, oh man, okay, that's a really cool product. How do I start selling it? Well, I'm guessing if you don't know by now, you're probably pretty new to this whole e-commerce thing. So I'll just share with you super briefly how you can actually start selling it. There's really two ways. The first way is by trying to drop ship this product either from AliExpress or from a local supplier. So as you can see, we looked up Constellation mug on AliExpress and we can see the product right here. So very, very easy to find. Now, of course, the shipping time is going to be pretty awful on a product like this, but here's what you can do. You can either order this product in bulk from Alibaba, which is the wholesale version of AliExpress, or you could try to get CJ Dropshipping to source the product for you so that you could get faster shipping. Either way, yes, you will need to spend a little bit of time figuring that out, but if you're not willing to spend even a day trying to make sure that you can ship faster, then I'm sorry, maybe you shouldn't really start your own business. But let's proceed here.
Ear hooks easily slide onto AirPods for a more secure fit. They are perfect for working out or travel. For anyone you know who has loose jewelry, gift them these silicone ring sizers that twist over any ring for a better fit. They're so comfortable to wear and look really discreet.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
And this motion-activated LED light attaches to a handbag or can be left in the bottom of a bag. It lights up every time you reach into your bag, making it easy to find your items.
Those are great ideas right there, especially some of the ones like the jewelry one. I never really thought about that, but especially for girls that buy a lot of jewelry, or guys too, it is a problem finding rings that will size properly, so that definitely helps.
Amazon Holiday Find. Flameless candles. Comes with a remote.
Whoa. Let's see.
2 moods, light or candle. Dim function. So cute.
Those are actually pretty cool. Let's see. So wow, these are much easier to find than I expected. Let's see if we can find some that can ship from the US. You can. So something like this has some sales. It has the remote that they're talking about. And this one doesn't actually have fast US shipping. So sometimes these listings don't actually have the faster shipping. Sometimes they will though, so that's why it's worth checking. But again, just go on CJ Dropshipping and try to get it sourced from there if you're just getting started. If you're not just getting started, I honestly still think it's not a bad idea to just order it in bulk or work with a sourcing agent if you know that you can get a lot of orders consistently. But let's keep going. Oh yeah, I've seen this light
simply
before.
Just pull the little magnet. Coolest.
We'll skip this one. So yeah, these ring lights look really awesome. By the way, these are actually good showcases as well of how to make good ads. Like literally, I feel like if you made a video just like this with your product, kind of like unboxing it and testing it quick on camera on TikTok, it would serve as an amazing ad. See, these are kind of funny, gimmicky products that I feel like people love. So I found it pretty quickly here. That's an interesting product. I never really thought of something like that, but it's kind of cool.
Helicopter, helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter.
That's sick. This is actually a really cool product. I want one, honestly. Hover orb.
Dopest Amazon products.
It's time to say bye, Felicia, to all your measuring spoons. There's a new daddy in town. This is an adjustable measure with a built-in level. It has tablespoon
Whoa,
counts
that's
and
actually
milliliter
sweet.
markers and gives you the perfect scoop every single time. It will totally level up your baking or cooking game, and it was cheap.
Okay, so we can find this one pretty quick as well. There's actually a lot of different kinds of products like this that are pretty interesting. These products make sense because you can just adjust it. So this is another thing to mention. You don't have to necessarily sell the exact same product that they're talking about, but sometimes they just mention really good concepts like that one, and it led us to products like this that, you know, I think are actually really cool.
What if your child doesn't like to drink milk or water? This bottle is the perfect solution. As your child drinks, the oil will
This one's really cool too. I feel like toys are a really hot product right now, or a really hot niche, I should say. A lot of parents getting a lot of toys.
Fur cuffs to put on my coat because I have a leather jacket, but I wanted to spice it up a little bit, so I got these in the middle. Okay, let's put these on.
Interesting.
Okay, these are actually really cute, and then you can like fluff them up.
That's kind of a good idea.
This is an incense waterfall. To use it, just light the incense block and put it at the top. The smoke
Those are cool. That's kind of an older product though.
And relax.
Okay, this product right here, I'm not gonna lie, is pretty genius, especially when you think about that literally everybody has to drive a car, therefore they have to get gas. So just take a look.
Pumps are so disgusting. When you think about how many different people have touched them, it is not something I like to touch. I found this silicone hand glove on Amazon that magnetically sticks inside your gas tank so you always have it available, keeping your hands germ-free.
That's such a good ad, especially how she started it. Like she phrased it saying how dirty gas pumps really are. That's such a good marketing angle, especially right now in times where people are extra sensitive to germs.
So I saw this video on Clean Talk TikTok to get this toilet brush that's really flat at the top to get around the rim of your toilet clean. So I had to buy it. It's from Amazon. It's just the... So apparently the way that the brush is flat and the bristles is able to get around the edge of...
You know, toilet brushes are actually a good type of product, especially because, again, everybody has a toilet, everybody has to clean it. So there's actually a lot of different toilet cleaners that have special functions. For example, stuff like this, I feel like is actually pretty cool. Like this one, it has a little like angled mechanism, so it makes it extra effective, I guess. I mean, obviously I haven't tried the product myself, so I have no idea, but man, these were actually really good. Let's check this one out. By the way, if you get a product idea that I haven't mentioned, make sure you leave it down below, just because I think it would be interesting. Whoa, what's she doing? Whoa. That's pretty good, actually. I'm not really finding that specific thing right there, but I'm getting, again, a bunch of ideas of products that you could potentially test out. These are kind of a good idea, you know? Gardening pads, that's pretty clever.
And this one is well made. Easy to use and easy to transport. It is an excellent gift idea.
Okay, I actually found it though. This is it right here. So this is kind of a higher ticket product, I would say. And this product in particular has free USPS shipping from AliExpress. So you could just test it out through here before you private label it or something like that. And boom, there you go. That's pretty dope. Whoa, a hydroponic station. That's pretty sweet too. Ooh, that's a good idea. Card shuffler. This is what casinos use. Let me see if I can find a cool one. See, like these are great product ideas, I swear. These are things I would never really think about. This is the one that he was showing right here, literally this one, and it has USPS shipping, so that's pretty awesome. And again, there's so many of these videos on YouTube, and I think this way is a little more fun, and I like finding these products with you. It actually does give me product ideas as well. But again, if you just do this for like 2-3 hours at a time, you'll be able to find a pretty ridiculous amount of products that not a lot of people are actually looking for or trying to sell, so you won't have a ton of competition necessarily. Yet you still know that these products are in demand since people are so hyped about them that they're even willing to make a video on it.
Great for easy water access.
Get an empty Coca-Cola bottle.
Add some water to your bottle.
Now add your water topper.
That's kind of cool.
Now water your plant.
Oh, whoa, that's actually pretty cool. A lot of gardening products I'm seeing.
It's the top right car ramp. It includes for wooden cars. It also has a 3.
Whoa, that's pretty cool. Ooh, okay, I've seen those before. Oh, just a bunch of pretty rocks, a pretty rock set. That's kind of nice.
Up first is my chair, and the thing I love most about this is that the armrests can be pulled up and apply them. They're super cooling. I also bought this, so when you dip them in the, and then we have these eye cream applicators, and these are actually,
ooh, eye cream applicators. That's a good one.
Metal. So when you dip them in the eye cream and apply them, they're super cooling.
Because you don't need to sell the eye cream, you can just sell the applicator.
I also bought this marshmallow whip maker, and basically all you do is mix the cleanser with some water, pump it for 15 seconds, and it turns into this bubbly foam. Is it necessary? No, but is
clearly people are looking for cheaper alternatives to things. You should reference Amazon to see how you're pricing your products. I don't think we're in the age anymore where you can literally just price at your products at whatever you want to make a big margin. I think you have to be considerate of, what people are willing to pay. And then of course you can charge shipping if you need to or whatnot. Okay, my camera literally died, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope that you found at least a couple ideas here that you're gonna be able to pursue for the new year. This new year feels like it's gonna be a great one. But with that said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.